Hi all! In this video, I'll demonstrate an intriguing, do-it-yourself project you can create using a power supply unit from a Polish antenna. Unscrew the 3 screws and disassemble the unit. At the top, remove the cap and unscrew the nut from the variable resistor. Now, at the top of the case, you need to drill 2 holes with a 6mm drill bit . You also need to cut a 15x22 mm opening in the lid, which can be done using a drill. Next, you need to take 2 banana plug sockets and install them into the holes. To be continued. You will also need a digital voltmeter, which should be installed in the upper part of the case. Now take the power supply, cut off the wires that go to the antenna plug, and instead solder the wires from the connectors. Solder the black wire to the negative terminal and the red and white voltmeter wires to the positive terminal. And also, you need to solder the black wire from the voltmeter to the negative terminal and solder the red wire from the voltmeter to the positive terminal of the capacitor. There is only one on the board. Now let's reassemble the power supply. To prevent the transformer from shorting the voltmeter board, stick an insulating pad on it. The do-it-yourself project is now finished. As you understood, this is a power supply unit with adjustable voltage. The maximum voltage the unit provides is 13.6 volts and it can be lowered down to 2. With this kind of power supply unit, you can connect and test various low power devices. For example, if we need to test an LED, we set the regulator to 3 volts and now it can be connected. Or if you need to test a small motor that runs on 6 volts, set the required voltage and then connect it. You can also connect an LED strip, just set the voltage to 12 volts. This homemade device works great overall. If you enjoyed the video, like and share it with your friends. Thank you all for watching and goodbye everyone.